Hello, my spiritual people. I hope each and every one of you is doing well. Welcome to our channel. This is a new channel that's going to be a spiritual hub dedicated to all that is spiritual, visualization, guided meditation, subliminals, and anything that is spiritual. So please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything. In today's episode, I'm going to be giving you a no BS guide on how to visualize properly in the first person's point of view, just like Neville Goddard says, because visualizing in the first person is the best and most effective way to visualize and manifest your dreams. You can visualize in the third person if you wish to do so, and you can still get the same result. It's all about what you assume. If you assume that it works, it will. So don't worry. It's supposed to be fun. Don't be hard on yourself. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy. So without any further ado, what you have to understand first is that visualization does not have to be in HD. It does not have to be in 8K. It doesn't have to be in ultra high quality. It's all about the senses. So lower the standard. Most of people that have problems with visualization raise the bar way too high. They just expect to visualize things in HD and see it like a movie in front of their eyes, which is never effective and rarely happens. Some people can do that, but most people cannot. So keep that in mind. It does not have to be in HD. It's all about the feeling, like Neville Goddard said, in everything, especially in visualization. So the first technique to visualize in the first person's point of view is to watch POV videos before sleeping. POV videos are videos that are filmed in the first person's point of view. When the viewer watches these videos, it feels like they are in the scene, living it and feeling it, which can be perfect to practice your visualization. These videos can be found all over YouTube with different activities. POV videos of driving cars, driving motorcycles, skydiving, walking, hiking, you name it. If you want to visualize driving a car, you can literally type the name of the car plus POV, and you can find dozens of videos in POV mode about it that you can watch before sleeping. Watching them, especially before sleeping, is going to be extremely beneficial. They're going to slip into your subconscious, and it's going to strengthen your visualization ability. When you watch these videos, you are immersing yourself in the experience. Your subconscious mind starts to believe that you are actually living it. So find any POV videos that aligns with your desires, watch it before sleeping, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your visualization is going to improve. Technique number 2, playing video games in POV mode. Similar to the first one, you want to play your favorite video games in the POV mode. Most video games have an option where you can change the camera's point of view to first person, which can be amazing at training your visualization ability. It's going to be extremely beneficial because you are participating in the scene, unlike just watching POV videos. This one, you are doing the action, and it's going to be very, very helpful. So find a video game that aligns with your desires and that you personally enjoy, and try playing it in the first person's POV camera angle, and it's going to help you a lot. Try doing this multiple times during the day for best results. Now for the third and last technique, I'm going to give you a simple exercise. The first step is to focus on an object in front of you. It could be an apple, for example. You want to look at it very, very carefully and examine its details. Step number 2. You're going to close your eyes and try to see that apple as if your eyes were still open. It doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be in HD. Just try to see it as if your eyes were still open. Step number 3. You're going to extend your hand and pick up the apple. You're going to hold it in your hand, examine it with your fingers, and touch the texture and surface. Step number 4. You're going to return the apple to its original place, and then you're going to close your eyes. Now, you're going to imagine that you have an imaginary hand, and it's going to pick up that apple in your imagination while you're closing your eyes. It's going to be easy because you have just done it in real life with your real hand and with your eyes open. So it's going to be very, very easy. But if it's not, don't be hard on yourself. Just keep repeating it. Open your eyes, pick it up, feel it, then put it back, close your eyes, Visualize that you have an imaginary hand that's going to pick up that imaginary apple and focus on the feeling, how it felt when you were touching it with your real hand. Step number 5, you're going to open your eyes, pick up the apple again, and this time you're going to smell it. Smell it as much as you want to and get familiar with its scent. Step number 6, you'll probably have guessed already where I'm going with this. You're going to put back the apple, you're going to close your eyes and focus on the smell. You're going to try to bring it back, try to visualize it, what it smells like because you have just done it. And again, if it's hard, try doing it again with your eyes open with the real apple, and then go back to closing your eyes. And that's it. This is the exercise, and you can repeat it as many times as you want or repeat any of the steps. It's very, very, very powerful because it's designed to train your senses. And with your senses, you can really visualize the feeling. It's all about the feeling, like Neville Goddard said. So this brings us to the end of this episode, and I really hope that you gained some value from this video. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like, and a comment with suggestions for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Ciao.